new credit card, highest limit credit card that I've gotten so far? Maybe. A couple months ago, I got a letter that looks like this. And this letter said, hey, we want to give you a credit card. You're pre-approved. Now, I've done videos on these credit card offers before. And at the very, very bottom here, it says pre-screen and opt-out notice. And it also talks about how it's pre-qualified, it's pre-approved, and it's actually garbage, right? Because they're going to do a credit check on you anyway. But here's what a little tip I was reading about on, the search engines. They said to wait it out. So basically, 3 months ago, they said, "Hey, we're going to give you 500." I said, "No way." I threw it away. Then they said, "We're going to give you 750." I said, "No thanks." Then they said, "We're going to give you 1,000 pre-approved." I said, "No thanks." Then they said 1,500. Then they said 2,000. So fast forward, it was like 3 months. Now I got this thing in the mail here, and it says they're going to give me 2,750. And on the back side here, it says that it's going to be zero for an annual fee. Now, right now, on most of my credit reporting agencies, I have about 6 or 7 inquiries, and I'm going to get 3 of them off within the next 4 months because, after 2 years, they fall off. And after about 1 year, they're not really significant as far as credit worthiness. Try to say that 5 times fast. Credit worthiness. So yeah, so here it says no annual fee. Then they have like some cashback stuff, and then they said here's a reservation number. So I went ahead and I applied for this card here. There you go, Mercury Mastercard. So yeah, I mean, after so many months, they want to give me this 2750, but do they really want to give it to me? So let me see what happened. I went on their website, opening up my scanned documents, and let me see here on this image. No, that's the wrong. Okay, here they are. So I applied for it, and there you go. I got it, right? So congratulations, blah blah blah. 2750 credit line approved, and apparently they're going to send it to me pretty soon. Let me see what the other one said. Okay, 7 to 10 business days. Nice. So there you go. Simply by ignoring these people that are constantly checking databases and seeing if you're within their FICO score range, and simply by ignoring them, it actually worked out for me. So now I got this nice 2750, which is going to nicely boost my credit score by adding additional credit limits to my overall score. Love you guys.